Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to automate draw.io diagrams using ChatGPT. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Now, if you often create diagrams for projects, software designs or presentations, this trick will save you tons of time and also make your workflow more efficient. So first thing is to go to draw.io, but this is also called app.diagrams.net. It's the same thing. Now, once we're here and before we head into ChatGPT, just take a moment to think about the diagram you want to build. What are the main elements or nodes? How are they connected? And having a clear picture in mind will make it easier to write a great prompt later. Now, from here, we want to go ahead and generate an XML with ChatGPT. So head on over to ChatGPT. And now what I've done here, I've created a quick prompt that says create an XML code for draw.io diagram that shows a simple project workflow with 3 boxes labeled planning, execution, and review connected with arrows. So now they're going to give you a prompt here, but what I've noticed, it had a few errors in here. So that was the first prompt, and then all from here, I just copied and pasted the error with the prompt, and then it will say yada yada, and then it gives me a new prompt. And it took about, so 1, 2, 3, 4 prompts to actually make it work. So you might come through that, so don't worry. If you got any errors, we can fix it. So for example, I'm going to copy this prompt here that they gave me, and now what we need to do here is open up a notepad like so, and then paste in that prompt. And now from here, click on file, click on save as, and now I'm going to call this project.xml. Make sure it ends in .xml. And then from here, you want to save as type. So make sure that is all files, and then click save. And now from here, come back to draw.io, click file, click on open, and then click device. Then from here, here it is here, project.xml, but I know this is going to be an error. Oh no, actually it isn't. So they've actually fixed that. All right, so here's a error here. So basically, if you get errors, just go ahead and copy it, and then come back to ChatGPT, paste the error in, and then they're going to come back to you with a working code. So just going to scroll down. Now here are the working file contents. So you want to recopy that code, do the exact same process until it loads properly into draw.io.